Microsoft Edge is a Chromium-based browser, meaning whatever extension is Chrome-based will be supported in Microsoft Edge as well. So what you can also do is you can import out Chrome-based extensions that are actually installed in other Chromium-based browser, such as Google Chrome as well. So for example, I'm going to go around and import out extensions from other browser. So over here, if I were to click on the three dot button and then go to extension, right now you don't see any extension. Even if I were to go to manage extension, then you don't see any extensions right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to import out extensions installed in other browser. Then you can click on the three dot button for that and then go to settings. And once you go around on the settings on the profile section, you can go around and import browser data. And once you go around onto browser data, then you can see that I can import browser data now. So I can go around and click this out. And you can see that you get this dialog box where you can go around and choose your browser and your account that you want to import your data from. So right now, save password is turned on, but I don't want this. I want to import out extensions. So I'm going to select out extensions over here. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and import. And what happens is that extension migration will continue in background as it says right here. So now all of the extensions are imported out, and over here you can see that this is what you have. If I were to go to manage extension, then you can see that it brought in the OneNote web clipper, which was actually installed on my account right here. So if I were to go around onto the extension piece, then you can see that this is what you have. And if there's any other extensions installed on that particular browser within that particular account, then that will be imported as well. And that is how you can import out extensions from other browser inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.